Griffin 63, Sarah Harvey 09, Michael Inlay 55, Austin Hines 57, and Jacob Zink 64. They are getting ready. These guys are going to smash hard, so pay attention. There we go. We got a green flag. We've got some rear-wheel drive here as well. Oh, here we go. That was nice. We've got two that are already down. And keep in mind, these guys are racing for money. This is let's see who we got. Who's still moving? Remember, this is first, second, and third place here. Oh, nice hit, nice hit. I would say he's done. Oh, wait a minute. There's your first, second, third placers right there. Let's see who's going to do it. That was a nice hit. Just want to let you know, both the ladies are still running. Oh, 09, is she going to be able to keep going? Yes, she is. Still moving. Oh, nice hit, nice hit. I think that's somebody. Uh-oh, 24 is looking a little frustrated. Can she get going? Oh, wait a minute. 24 is in the count. Looks like that's our third place finisher right there. Oh, what about 09? Did she move? This is a race between Sarah and Jacob. Who's going to win? Who's going to take the big money? Nice hit, nice hit. Going after him. She's taking no prisoners, and Jacob's saying, I'm all for it. Sarah and Jacob, there they come for another hit. Uh-oh. Jacob might be done, but That's it.